A bowl full of freshness and goodness. Easy Greek salad at home. Healthy, crunchy, and so refreshing. Add to the bowl 1 cucumber, 2 small tomatoes, 1 large onion, 1 bell pepper, half a cup olives. For the dressing, 3½ tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon oregano, half a teaspoon pepper powder, and salt to taste. Give it all a good mix. Pour dressing over the salad. Add feta cheese and sprinkle with chili flakes. Toss gently and it's ready to be served. Fresh, crunchy and full of flavor. Perfect for a light meal or side.